It's all about the vibe. I'm keeping it lively. Amaziyah the great. Me done tell them precisely. Aim for the top now. If no, might be tell it dirty hypocrite. Them say try avoid me. All about the vibes. I'm keeping it lively. Amaziyah the great. Me done tell them precisely. Aim for the top now. If no, might be tell it dirty hypocrite. Them say try avoid me. Cause I be moving on. No matter how them a chat me. Moving on, cause none of them can stop me. Moving on, me see the heat and I watch me. God by my side, none of them can trap. I'm skull to Amaziyah, change my name and step up higher. Live like a Messiah, read the psalm, chant a prayer. Compete and a vampire, they know like the mode of fire. Take them dirty Gaia. We burn them with some tire. Women we admire like Alicia and Mariah. Women get me quiet, looking good when them attire. You yet and wish me die while I do that, me I get wiser. Prosperity me desire. No way, me not retire. No quality stuff or just insanity stuff. Now every youth want to floss and chop up vanity enough. Life quality stuff is like them vanishing up. We see them endorsing a profanity stuff, plus politics stuff, them not honest enough. Flipping Babylonians that kill humanity enough. The truth hot but hush brutality stuff. Over the years, it a reach a black majority enough. Why are we so blind to see? The ones are hurting are you and me. And why can't we just live as one? Divided we fall and together we are strong. I spend quality time elevating my mind and telling youths them, hey, like a war and crime, Babylon start crime, now they want solve crime. They might tell civilians dial 119. Me fed up this time, I try lift my head up next time. But everywhere I go, I just war and crime. Juggling, struggling, my mind kind of puzzling. Nothing not going and depression keep bubbling. Hustling and bustling, it seems like that's nothing. And now I make no money. Should I really try smuggling? Rotted, me feel haunted and I made them come fast with. Should I be like Christopher Cook and become the most wanted? My thinking seems thinking, them wondering if me drinking. No, some is sober, perhaps that's just the system. I can't take it no longer. Sufferation I get stronger. The system makes me wonder if I'm really going under. You ever hunger for 3 nights, your belly not feel right. After sufferation, I beat like steel pipe. Fed up now, mama not feel right. Want some money, but the boss not deal right. Face look so stressed, you ask them so vexed. Youths them hopeless, where is the progress? One thing me I go talk and this if you notice. The real revolution, it not really explode yet. I can't take it no longer. Sufferation I get stronger. The system makes me wonder if I'm really going under. Well, it's so obvious we now get proper policing because crime wouldn't get out of hand and shot a beat so hard. System set up completely bizarre. This politics shit quickly need for resolve. The youth them out the road, them move really retarded. Them have some rotted guns to rip your pieces apart. Police want fight crime. Need for call crime stop it now stop car. The system of fraud. I can't take it no longer. Yo, me don't tell them precisely. So me there are here with Amaziyah the Great. Artist. When Mr. Artist, all the art there is visual arts, performing arts, poetic arts. The only artist I am not, no can artist. But with the poetry, the music, with the short movies, with the performance, the whole 9 yards, we know the thing already. And who don't know, will know. And who don't know, will want to know. Yes, yes. Tell them precisely. So, Mr. Big up to you, the wonderful fans them all across the world. You know, this time of global pandemic, they are going to socialize with the people via these devices and platforms, social media. So we interact. Since, you know, with not two, I got travel back and forth all about out of the country. You see, pray. Shauna, big up yourself, enough respect. Hey, people, as we see my friend Shauna Williams online, want to go check out. She have a brand new single, Let's Praise Him. So enough respect goes out to her. And we decide, say, we're going to tell them precisely. We use these platforms and make the people them know what we're going. Shauna Williams want to check out our contents. People, go up on our YouTube channel and just subscribe her. She have a very remarkable song, Let's Praise Him. No joke, not because she's a friend of mine, but it's a very powerful song indeed. I really want to go check it out to the fullest. We say great where the gateway while the sunshine will make. Hey, Shauna Williams, big up yourself. Support the one of people. Yeah, man, support the one of let's praise him. Tell them precise the greatness. No jokes, your YouTube channel. Go check it out. Shauna Williams, bad gospel artist. Well, great gospel artist. On Instagram, Shauna sings _97. Tell them precisely. Yeah, man, I will say great where the gateway while the sunshine will make. Hey, will never stop me. Have a banana talk about your things. You know, I flick it on the screen, see where because at the end of the day, I don't want to talk about it. People them fear hear about it. Nothing wrong with that. You get to me and say, support greatness, people. Support Shauna Williams' new single. Yeah, man, I write this right there. When you see people that try, we are there with them to support them to the fullest. Yeah, man. Because, you know, the garrison where I'm from, I'm like an icon. Young and old respect me, them see me as an idol. No joke, no dead night. We motivate people and inspire people for the greatness. And wherever we can, you know, encourage people or add to them talents or career, you get to me and say, we do that. Yeah, man. And enough people can confess to that because we never stop. We work with the good, the bad, and the ugly. But at the end of the day, we're more there with the ones who persistent and determined. Because Norris man said, persistence is to try throughout this precious time. You get me, I say? All when you're down and in distress, never let Babylon know your weakness. Yes, yes. So big up Norris man, right there. So persistence. We learn that from your youth. And I think this is some of the things them the youth them for having in them life. You know, somebody to motivate them and inspire them. You get me, I say, to make them believe in themselves. You get me? And some of the times people want to know, say, yo, we believe in them just the same. Because that is another strength of motivation. Me get motivated just by reading some comments. Enough people motivate me by saying, Amaziyah the Great, continue go and do the great works. Because when me look at me, see these things and me say, yes, I understand, say, there are persons out there who believe in what I do. There are persons out there who look forward for what I deal with. It make me want to go harder. Enough time some people try with whole heap of obstacles. Yo, them come with something harder than sledge. And them just knock it on you so woodoo. But you have to just go and maintain a composure and do your thing. You know, at the end of the day, you know, it might be bitter and dark, but light is ahead of that tunnel. So as Shauna Williams said, praise him, praise the Most High. When she said praise him, you know, she don't mean praise the man, you know, so make sure to tell you, you know. Because somehow now praise the wrong set of people, they feel like, say, such is life. You get me and say, Shauna Williams' single Let's Praise Him released worldwide today, October 22nd. You get me and say? So, like me telling you before, go and go check that out to the fullest. Praise him, one him, the Most High, true and living God. Not man who have promised you things and I say, oh, them can do this and that for you. Because at the end of the day, men have failed us tremendously. Us as a people have too much false hope and false belief. And at the end of the day, we reach nowhere as a people. You get to me and say, so until we know, say, we trust in the Most High, things will work progressively and things will work as long as you believe in yourself and know so where you are though is indeed fact. You don't depend upon nobody. You are which part you're there today in a life because you never decide to say you're going to make a step forward. What do you expect for reach a Kingston? You think you can sit down in a red pan or you can sit down wherever you want there and know, say, at the end of the day, all right, that's the opportunity there. How it going to reach, it not going to come to you. You have to step out. Yeah, you may talk who I watch right now. You have to step out for it. Don't feel like I'm going to pretty it up. Because at the end of the day, when you don't try reach out, it not gonna just come to you. You get me I say, because if you make opportunity pass, sad situation. Power hype all the way in Canada. Blessings and respect. You know, we're there to the fullest though. This is the way we interact lately and, you know, make people know so we are doing it greatly, precisely. Long time, you know, say you rate me. Yeah, man. Always keep it real and never yet face it. Precisely. Yeah, man. Some people do some things, but them not amaze me. Big up our hype. Always treading to greatness. Him never lazy. Precisely. Greatness. Yeah, man. So big up all the warriors, them yard and abroad. It's someone say the great to the fullest. But then I'm living room. Well, I one room, you know. My living it. Someone call it living room. The bedroom over there, but I want. Yeah, I can't afford no 2 room yet and no house yet. So we're there in the living room part of the 1 room. You see, pray, you them there over there, so online class I go and them have them headphone and I listen what them I do, but you know them will check out the thing later. Cause you know a thing go. But Papa I me must tell you this, my lad. And me not gonna lie, because you're there, so now when you're listening. Sometimes I feel like if you're endorse a thing more, me not gonna take that from what me and say, my lad. But different from you not really be playing my stuff, yo. I must tell you this personally. I appreciate you as a person. If you know where you come from, my lad. Baba, I remember in a Spanish Town the thing there now. I don't know so ratings did it because you've been supporting ever since. And it's most a reason why you're there, so you still show support. But as it relates to where the stuff that we are put out, I mean, music and poetry, I mean, you're in a different zone still, but sometimes you can, you know, drop a one Amaziyah, the great pan them and make them know, say you are greatness. And you participated in the first film where we do for Get Award, Get Up. You get to me, say people that be film that win Reggae Film Festival Award. You see it, Power Hype, they did the same way I do the greatness. So big up all the warriors and we're there in the sharp movies. You know, we never stop. We keep going and going like that energizer bunny. We work hard for what we want and we never do nothing funny. Power Hype, when you check out my Christian friend, single it up on YouTube, Shauna Williams, let's praise him. You get to me and say, and when you have a gospel segment them, you can drop the track there and know say, yes, I want a greatness, same way. Yeah, man. See our thing there. Shauna Williams. The single up on YouTube available. Yeah, man. Yeah, available all over on all major download streaming platforms. That's a go on. Precisely. Support our YouTube channel, people. Go and go subscribe to it. Follow her on Instagram at Shauna Sings _97. Yes, yes, yes. So, as when we did that now, Papa, because we're not done chat yet, you know. The level, okay. Send it to your email. All right, Shauna, if you're watching this right now, Shauna, there is Power Hype email address. And the man one of the hypest thing right now, not just in Canada, but all about. And which part the man they go, the man they blaze the fire and take it higher. And Power Hype are today, that song I release. You get a man said today, 12 o'clock today. You see it, so it fresh. A lot of persons know of it. Yeah, so Shauna, if you are watching right now, please say Power email on the screen. Oh, go. I point the wrong way, you know. I was trying to. Oh, see it there. Yeah, right there, so. Because sometimes when the camera turn the other way, see it over there, so Shauna. Right. Power Hype at hotmail.ca. Seeing? So, endorse it to the fullest. So even if you play this, you don't play much, I'm going to say the great. We still appreciate greatness. Yeah. When we want to get across now, Power Hype, to see the level of which part you are coming from, my lord, I can tell us straight. No joke not there, another thing. Big respect. If me never tell her before, me I tell her now. Live make you world a year. Maximum respect because you have come a far way. People might not, some people might know, some might not. But the bridge, you know, when I talk about Power Hype, from when them there Spanish Town, Money Mar them place, Sean. You get to me and say, from this up, the man they always say Amaziyah the great. Anytime you see Papa Hype have a black and white event, Amaziyah the Great do the flyer. And anytime you see the party, I keep me and snap the pictures. You get to me and say, it's only 2 minutes there in Canada right now, while me not dead so I go and shut up the event them. You see me and say, but you never can tell, you never know. Because we still are govern the thing on a level which part, you know, we're moving mysteriously and next minute we're there, so other minute we might the different place in the world. That's so the thing go. But with what I go on now, we're going to maintain the composure and go and build with the youth them. You get to me and say, all right, so Shauna up on the net live right now, Power Hype. She said she appreciate you. Well, she appreciate me too, you know, so she respect for sending the email to her. You get to me and say, and just going there sit to the fullest. Yeah, man, so me not even know me that company life for doing for telling the truth. But just the yard is the pity them and decide say me not cook no food because I cook yesterday, you know. And my daughter decides that she have school. And my niece say right now she don't have time for that. My son decides say I have to go a barber for hot up because I call him and I talk to him and I see like him move like a money man turn in a 3 months 15 with it. So I go and pre them. So I go see how them when hungry start back. I go see what I go on. You get to me and say, so I can't hold it, you know. I don't know if them can hold it. Because I know sooner or later, then soon start ball. But I cook for them yesterday, them I have to cook to them, man. Me I go and promote my thing, them, you see me? Shauna Williams single, let's praise him. That we there talk about. I want to go check it out. People, I want to know. When I talk about support, I want to go up on the YouTube. Please, make a comment. Listen to the audio. Listen to the entire thing. And it's a really great song for no say at this moment in time when the whole global issue are going. We have to remember say there's only one true almighty king. And all you see some people are going and go around and make it look like they are them in control. One God in control. One God rule. So stop move like fool. Better on cool. You get to me and say? They never thought I'd reach this far, but look, they keep on open for Amaziyah the Great shine bright like stars. Looking at them feel so surprised they are. You didn't thought I'd reach this far, but look, you keep on open for Amaziyah the Great shine bright like stars. Looking at them face, Power Hype. 24 Private Road, Fraser's Content, Spanish Town, Jamaica. And this some represent design for create rhymes. Brand new, the friends, excellent, quality, lyrically content. You can relate to my rhymes. Me not chat no nonsense. The girls, them a smile, because they like me accent. Me used to go Dintil Tech. Well, intelligent, me grow a featherbed lane. Me experience hard. Times in the garrison know me independent, me unbelievable, precisely. Great amazement. We go overseas, go endorse it. We're taking it immense. Big up everybody who support my films and embrace my talents because me alone, I couldn't do this all by myself. They never thought I'd reach this far, but look, they keep on open for Amaziyah the Great shine bright like stars. Looking at them face, them say man I get to suffer us, the Lord be rich indeed. Artists and artists know the differences. Spanish Town, Jamaica, me represent West Indies. People them rate me. One of the best in season. Create good lyrics so my fans can listen to these. I'm a compile my composition. Enough of them wish them did. Uncomparable. That mean in a different league. Me knock you out to a different speed. Time after time when I rhyme, every time I spit them freeze. No bother try for war. You get your head split in trees. Some things will knock through your frame if you have bad mind disease. Them never thought I'd reach this far. But look, they keep on. Yeah, man. We say great to the gateway while the sunshine will make. Hey, we never stop. We keep going and going like the Energizer Bunny. Work hard for what we want. And we never do nothing funny. I keep going and going like that Energizer Bunny. Work hard for what we want. Some not do nothing funny. Going and going like that Energizer Bunny. When we work, give me my pain and make me knock you out for my. Enough time I work until me sweat and me no really get my share. The pressure get intense, you see tears in them highs here. One dumpling me get on with me pick them high share. Me trod it barefoot all with me can't buy a Nike here. Tell them precisely. Great way the gateway. We never stop. Yeah man, so big up all of the youth, them who believe in themselves as me say from day one. You get me? And, you know, people may ask you kindly and nicely, support greatness when you see it because too much negative energy they road. And this is why we have so much disaster going on in our world today. Because it's about the people and mindset. We are powerful people. I don't know if you understand that. Things not so impossible as some people make it seems. Things not so complicated as people make it seems. But the level of ignorance is escalating to the highest peak. I don't know if you understand. So we're more powerful than that. You get what me I say? A time for me run through with one poem when I write. So me I go look for it and recite. And at the end of the day, me expect it to share some light. Tell them precisely. It name legends are leaving us. Which part it they know? Alright, before we go legends leaving us, you get to me and say, let me read a different poem. The one named Sick. Seeing? I am sick. Pay attention closely. Sick and lonely with no one to hold me. Boldly she told me I was her one and only. But that was just lies because she was screwing on Tony. I am sick of fake friends who never promote me. I'm sick of being talented and even some of my family doubts me. I'm sick of the shit radio stations play mostly. If it wasn't for social media, you would have never heard about me. I'm still in a cold, dark world, sickened with how my life now seems to sparkle. I'm sick of crying tears with no one to talk to. A Johnny heard me grumbling in the bathroom and asking, Daddy, I want you to argue. I'm just sick of being broke, son, and can't even do what I want to. I'm sick of fake foods, fake medication. I'm sick of fake news, fake information. So I'm sick and confused with fake education. Amaziyah the great views. We among a sick generation. Tell them precisely. We say great to the gates here while the sunshine will make. Hey, we never stop. We keep going and going like that energizer bunny. Work hard for what I want. I'm not do nothing funny. Tell them precisely. Yeah, man, so big respect to all fans across the world. That one I name a few days ago. You get to me and say, a few days ago, over 400 illegal guns arrived in our country. A few days ago, another hard-working youth inside my community got killed, slain, right in front of my lane. Tears rain like thunderstorms. Family is in pain as I express my condolence to the family of the deceased. R.I.P. is all I see, painted on the walls of social media. So many grieve, still in disbelief, my heart bleeds. All because another youth inside my community got murdered in a discovered time. Now, the question that lingers on my mind, will this be added to the cases of unsolved crime? No, I'm not fine, so don't expect me to smile when all I see is security forces forcing vendors off the street. All me see them and try do a make a look a dime. But they failed to apprehend some of the most wanted behind all these crimes. Rude boy, let me tell you this. Ignorance will get you nowhere. So clear. You are being played. You are being fooled. Killing our people is not cool. You can't be that fool. Educate yourself so you can elevate yourself. Unity is strength. Nobody waste yourself. Someone say the great talent precisely. We always be doing music, arts, poetry, the whole 9 yards. Tell them say great we are the gateway while the sunshine we make air. The bitterness is the next piece of poem I'm going to drop. And then me drop You Will Be Okay. Because some of the females them for know that, you know, no matter what I go on, with the bitterness one and experience, you will be okay. So all when we don't see nobody upon the live, we just go and vibe because we know them going to watch the after live and realize Amaziyah the greatest on the rise. Tell them precisely what up on the eyes. We say no to domestic abuse, we say no to domestic violence. Stop abusing our women. Stop abducting our women. Matter of fact, before me even go in a that, me drop something for you before me even start pan. You will be okay, or the bitterness. You have to drop something on that for them. Check this out.
She was young. She was beautiful. She left her home that day never knowing that this would be her final goodbye to her friends and her family. She was kidnapped, she was assaulted, and she was disposed of in a matter of days as desperate searches went on with her friends, her family, other women, and the region looking on in hopes that she would be found alive. She was helpless, and against our best efforts, so were we. Now, the gravity of the situation is that her identity depends on which island you've been in over the past months. She is Ashanti Riley. She is Evelyn Sincere. She is Carrie Ann Hunter. She is Kanice Jackson. She is Andrea Barak. She is Stephanie Thomas. And as unsettling as it may seem, every day that list ends with a comma, not a full stop.
Somebody call police! Yeah, man, me don't tell them precisely. It's long before now, I been tell them, say, yo, stop the violence against women and our children. Too much abduction are going, too much slackness are going. You get me and say, Chris Martin have a song with more and that, so I'm kind of do a re-edit with my short movie, My Name is Pam, and some clippings. So big up to my sister Quality, NST, the whole team. Know what I mean? Check this out.
I can't live without a woman. Tell me, can you? I would never hurt a woman. All who believe in prayer, we all need to pray. Can't believe what is happening. These must be the last days. Times are getting scary. The devil's in a rage. Women and children are a target now. We need to see a change. We're losing too many women. Stop the violence against women. We need to love our women and take care of the women. Stop abusing the women. We're losing too many women, yeah. Stop the violence against women. We need to love our women, take care of the women, stop abusing the women. Young girls beware, there are predators out there, don't trust people. They act as if they care, they are wolves in sheep clothing, they are evil. So don't just go on any taxi, and don't just go on any bus. Don't just trust loose faces, no. Suss them out first. Don't make night get you too far from home. Don't get your loved ones nervous. Just think before you act now, pretty. Time is so evil. Now to my big woman friend them, stop steer with the madman them. If every day my beat you and I'll treat you, one day your life in a problem. Girl, now make true money, you stay and fight because it better you leave if you not treat you right. But don't disrespect and stay out at night. But well up these days you will lose your life. We're losing too many women. Stop the violence against women. We need to love our women and take care of the women. Stop abusing the women. We're losing too many women, yeah. Stop the violence against women. We need to love our women, take care of the women, stop abusing the women. Me never see nothing where hurt me so. If you want find God, them say a church you go. But the one with the lead them, with the teach, can't believe saying dirty side. 63 minus 15, no, the 48 that them say we not for judge. But if I had to say that pastor would get 48. Hey, and then the criminal them went upon the taxi route, kidnap the little girls and thief them forbidden fruits. Me have a bag of stone, no me no want shoot. Me wanna feel a lot of pain of salute. We're losing too many women. Ooh, yeah. Stop the violence against women. We need to love our women and take care of the women. Stop abusing the women. We're losing too many women, yeah. Stop the violence against women. Stop it, stop. We need to love our women, take care of the women. Stop abusing the women. I can't live without a woman. Tell me, can you? So I would never hurt a woman. No. We're losing too many women. Stop the violence against women. We need to love our women and take care of the women. Stop abusing the women. We're losing too many women, yeah. Stop the violence against women. We need to love our women. Take
Yes. Tell them precisely. So big up the whole team. You know what I mean? Everybody who came together 2016 and we did that magnificent piece. And we've been, since then promoting it ever since. And stuff like them I'm more so now share people. Stuff like these more because it's bringing awareness to a lot of people. When me there foreign and perform, my name is Pam, and I get strong warm embrace from some people me don't even know. You get to me and say, but when me among my Jamaican people is that they refuse to share greatness. You get to me and say, people just start support. Rapper crap, enough respect and big respect. I say that straight because you're the first person ever me say do a vlog on My Name is Pam. On the first set of picking them who do a review upon My Name is Pam are some kids in Florida, kids support kids. Check them out on YouTube and subscribe to them channel, please.
What's domestic violence?
I can answer that, Kasai. Domestic violence is hurting or someone that that loved you or any kind of way.
Domestic violence is also about hurting somebody for no reason.
Her relationship wasn't smooth sailing, so she told him goodbye. He yelled, "Hey, if you ever leave, damn, you're gonna die. I'm the one who make you and I'll break you. Go on if you want to try."
Hey guys! Welcome back to
Kids,
Support Kids
today we're going to be doing a reaction video
on My Name is Pam
by Amaziyah the Great.
Thank you, Amaziyah the Great, for this video. Before we get started, don't forget to
Like,
subscribe, and hit that notification bell to see us upload our new videos and go live.
Yes. So, Julian Murray, big up yourself, enough respect. Michelle in New York, maximum respect. Verona, big up yourself. Antonia Valier, one bag of people, big up on yourself. And all of the poets, them and, the poetry warriors, them and the poetry supporters, them and the poetry fans, them and, the youth, them we are for the year some nice. My daughter then online class, you know what I say? So I make some nice on my life. I forgot hurry up in the live still, but a couple more things to definitely talk about before me exit. My name is Pam. I'm gonna go on a piece of that real quick. I'm gonna see how I go on as it relates to the poem. Blessings and respect. Share the thing, them share the live, make people aware of what I go on because this is what we always be promoting. This is nothing new. This is not because of the recent occurrence. This is what we've been promoting. We don't support them something here. So me I say, so stop abusing our women and children and treat them with respect. Our ladies, our empresses, queens, goddess. Stop treat them like they are less.
My mother and your mother was washing some clothes. My mother thumped your mother in her bed.
Nation and Johnny,
Yes, Daddy.
every single day, be a ram. Book, read something at me here.
I am a girl. My name is Pam. I am a boy. My name is Roy. See my name here? P-A-M, Pam.
Wait a little bit, hold on. You see, I knew Pam when I was much younger. I may have a different side of the story. Oh, now listen up and are you ready? Pam was sad and sulky because Roy always made her cry. He was too busy being a boisterous bully, plus a sour, selfish guy. She was somewhat bewildered as tears rained from her weeping eyes. Her relationship wasn't smooth sailing, so she told him goodbye. He yelled, "Hey, if you ever leave, damn, you're gonna die. I'm the one who make you and I'll break you. Go on if you wanna try." The nosy neighbor from next door shouted, "Somebody, call police!" She remained by her usual spot at the zinc fence where she peeped. Mary was too busy taking a selfie to share a Facebook post. Friends suddenly start recording and virally shared it most. The preaching pastor came praying, but counseling never worked. Pam ran away the following day while Roy was out for work. She later found Dick, who gave her firm attention. She enjoyed having sex, but oops, no prevention. Few months later she was pregnant, no baby father was around. Her mind went Googling, but Dick was never found. Billy shortly took her hub and offered for her to be his bride. She was more than delighted and promised never to leave his side. He thought he was the baby's father, happiness displayed evidently in his eyes. Billy felt silly when he found out he wasn't so, and later committed suicide. Pam never had a good education. She sold bag juice to make ends meet. Few months after she gave birth, she was selling her body on the streets. Life's journey got intricate. She prayed and said, "Oh God, I can't take no more." A year after she bought a car, some people call her whore. She later furthered her education, for she knew she wanted to soar. Now can you guess who is that janitor at her self-owned clothing store? Once again it's the voice of Amaziyah the Great.
Tell them precisely. Greatness you say now. Yeah man, so the one who I want to name the bitterness. I want to listen to this because very important. Like a toddler crying for mom's breast milk, I saw tears raced down her bony face. She was pensive and motionless, like she was lost in space. She then broke the silence, screaming out, I'm such a big disgrace." I quickly interjected, "Honey, what's wrong?" And she yelled, "Get the hell out of my space. All you men are just the same cheat lies. You all take love for a game." She say, "I hate men forever. I should have killed Trevor. Yeah, put a bullet in his brain." Baby, I'll take this too far now. Are you drunk or insane? Craig, you're not gonna understand me. You can't feel my pain. I was raped when I was 9. It really shattered my mind. A decade after, I tried to move on to get myself back in line. I thought Tom was the best thing until he slept with my sister. So I had sex with his best friend and WhatsApp him the flipping picture. All my life I've been hurt, late to start attending church, searching for comfort, but life grew worse. Few months after, she was impregnated by the comforting pastor, threatened to do an abortion or else her life would be a disaster. I tried to convince her, telling her she's still precious and worth more than diamonds and gold. She said she still hates men. Her heart is now cold. I offered a hug. She squeezed me tightly, saying, "Thank you, Mr. Kirkland, for attempting to make me feel lively." But how will I live with the fact of knowing that I'm infected with HIV? The bitterness. Spend time, rude boy, and talk to your girl. Fathers, spend time and talk with your daughters. Husbands, spend time. Be there for your wife. Because at the end of the day, if you don't talk to these women about these things, they will go to other men, other females who are working with some boy out the road. And at the end of the day, these guys will appear like they are the nicest and the calmest, pretending they care one bit, but their intentions are dirty, dark, evil. So, you know, have to be aware of these things. So I will forever be on these platforms and sharing these things with Uno. Because if you don't be aware, you never know. You don't know if you trust. You don't know if you tell certain things because when time, and some of the boy and girl, styling as boy and girl. The female them telling us some things and them want telling you because them trusting it to that level. I want to take it on again and spread it out and make it look away, and then you make a person lose trust in you. One boy where use the people them girl pitney and come boast and brag about how much girl you have and where you get and where girl deal from with this one bag of crap. And someone who consider themselves grown men, but you are fools, immature. Because at the end of the day, what profit it gets you if you just say, okay, well, yeah, try to keep score or yeah, try to prove a point. Oh, so okay, you sleep with 2 girls for the night. You get 2 sister. You get the mother or the daughter. What that? These are not things we promote, yo. We don't know the circumstances and these things occur. Yeah, we not hide the fact of what go on. It go on in a real life, so people can't act like it never happened. It do happen. And someone the boy come and put it in a song and think that's art. That's not art. That's really fart. It fail. Put a F in front of the art where you think and tell me what you get. Crap, fart. But me not get elaborate on too much of that. We they talk with the ladies, them, the females, them. Stop abuse them. I have to talk to my niece and them and my daughter, them, and you get to me and say, because at the end, Mr. Daughter, them a while ago. One daughter me have. But everybody else daughter, my daughter, but biologically still a one daughter me have. But I have to talk to my nieces, them, and my daughter. Yeah. I make sure she get used to money, because I don't want a guy feel like he can trick her out and tell her, say, I'm going to give her this and that. So, all right, what may I look for you now? May I look for something else simply? Oh, I have to do the poem name Another Bitter End. Before me give them, you will be okay. So, Another Bitter End. No, I'm going to save that for another time. I'm going to give them, you will be okay. So, ladies. I understand some of how to hurt, heartbroken. Some of them might go through some very complicated situation. At this present moment in time when I watch the video, and yes, you may talk to. You know, say you may talk to. There's a reason why you're watching this video at this moment. And there's a reason why somebody share it to you because they know so you need to hear this. A lot of men don't elaborate on these topics because I think them find, for brag and boast about other things other than the reality of what is and how women feels. You get what I say? You will be okay, ladies. Just know that. Never give up. See? You are remarkable. You are strong. You are one of God's greatest gifts. Follow him and you will never go wrong. You are smart, ladies. Yes, you are noble. Pay keen ears to all these words I just told you. The skies were overcast and then torrential rain for days. Throughout your darkest moments, you've experienced pain for days. Cold and bitter, angry and confused. Be cautious with your steps before you make the wrong move. You probably feeling a bit empty right now, somewhat unsatisfied. Fret not, for Jah already sent an angel to be your travel guide. You will be okay. Just know that God is real. After you overcome this sophisticated phase, it will be the strongest you ever feel. Ladies, you, and yes, you are beautiful, remarkably sweet. Trample all hypocrites beneath your feet. Be patient and pray more because you will be okay. Forget about them who don't believe in you because you have no time to play. You are a fighter, a survivor who resists to quit. Ladies, you are loved. You're a queen. You deserve lifetime happiness. Tell them precisely. Great way the gateway. I don't care if some of them don't like me. But me still shine the light brightly. Precisely. Yeah, man. So I'm about to close off the live soon. I just have to address a couple more things before we roll out. The TDP show every Sunday, 5 p.m. Jamaica time. Check it out. You get what I say?
They say it's a free world, free speech. Fear not. If you've got your story to share, there's a global audience anticipating to hear. Be bold, be truthful. Tell them precisely. Join us on youtube.com, Great Amaziyah, for the TDP show. Sundays at 5 p.m. And this is not about just interviewing artists only, but we want to interview everybody. Players of instruments, comedians, poets, actors, actresses, dancers, people with talents who now get fair share. And remember, it's all about honesty, the truth about your opinion. We want the world to know. Amaziyah the Great, tell them precisely.
Yeah, man. So remember if you check it out. Remember also check out Shauna Williams' single. You get what I say? Please check out our YouTube page. Make some comments, show some love. Searching for Keisha is a short film I need you guys to go check out right now on YouTube. Precisely.
Here, on the road, you know, say my mother over one girl named Keisha.
Shadow Star, Keisha.
You know what you mean, mama? Look for the old boy.
Yes, sir, baby, can't manage. Pull up there now.
For your clothes, I don't know your clothes wrong side. They're kind of there.
Pull the boy.
So, you don't think a full thing to get over now?
Yo, let me tell yo, don't ever pass your place. I look for one girl named Keisha, you see her? Yes.
Anyone with information on the whereabouts of Keisha Brown?
Craig! Come on. Craig! You don't feel like say me a go, I'm war in this year. You try to walk me door.
Yes. Big up to Quality, big up to Olivia, big up to my kids. Everybody who participated, Uncle Barry. Big up on yourself because work well done and we still are going to shoot same way. Blessings and respect. I also do audio, visual, commercial, the whole 9 yards. So if you want a commercial deal with, on the promos, on the flyers, just feel free to contact me. But you know me there around the show all along and I now have to contact them. I have to go look for something for sure on which part they can get to me. Alright, let me try that. Find me on Instagram and Twitter at Precisely Great. TikTok at Artist Craig Kirkland or Amaziyah the Great. Facebook me, Amaziyah the Great Music. And see my number there, you can WhatsApp me. 1-876-477-6245. You done? Oh. But daughter said me for her come off of the live because she need to continue with school and I may disturb her. You see me? So supporting fans can send contribution via PayPal. PayPal me, Artist Craig Kirkland, or Zelle at artistcraigkirkland@gmail.com. Yes. Tell them precisely. We say great way the gateway. While the sun shine, we make air. I will end the live in less than 5 or just 10. Can I take 10 minutes? Oh, you ready now? Alright, hold on. Let me just one more thing. She's not for come off. She bad me up people. Look at data, I bad me up some if you end the live because you have school to deal with. So I go come off for this real quick. So blessings and respect people. They want to play one more thing phone, but I can't even do it because I don't want to. Yes, I don't want to puff my chest again, you know. She puff my chest one time, you know. Okay, viewers, fans, friends, my family, them, subscribers, everybody, thanks so much for watching. Please do feel absolutely free to drop us your comment and be kind to leave a feedback. Yeah, comment, like, share, and tell others about it. And also remember to hit the notification bell if you want to be updated on what's new. Talking about what's new, go and go check out Amaziyah, the great collections. Me have whole heap of merchandise are going with a bag of things. Enough t-shirt designs, don't tell them precisely. Available on Teespring. Enough people are talking about it, but go and go look for yourselves. Links will be in the description below. We have tabs for females, males, babies, cups, phone cases, etc. Mr. Go and go look now. Follow Amaziyah, the great collection on IG, and like us on Facebook. If you haven't watched My Name is Pam before, features my sister Quality. Please do go and go watch it and share it as it relates to domestic abuse against women and a woman's struggle through it to independence. Also remember to check out Amaziyah, the great music on Amazon, Spotify, Tidal, Deezer, Google Play. It's